In front of me is Redmi Note 11 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluid. You need to begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Following that, type in Magic Fluids. Now get this free app from Mad Scientist developer. When your app is ready, open it. If you want to mute the music right away, tap on the bottom left corner. Now click on bottom right one on those three lines. Choose Settings at the top and tap on I accept in First Things First pop-up. Now you can adjust all of those options however you want to. When you finished, click on the top right corner. Then bottom one again. This time though, you need to select Set as Live Wallpaper. Click on Set Wallpaper and tap on the best option for you. In my case, home screen only. So when I click and go back, I can see that my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!